The object-oriented programming has many ways to make objects make related. And depending the way this relationship happens, there are different forms for representing that relationship. And let's see here how the dependence relationship is utilized. It's represented in UML by this dotted arrow. And what that means? It means that in this example, the class objects from the class special product has a dependence from objects from the class price calculator. And this dependence is a dependence that happens in a short term. It means both objects are related each other, but it will take just a short time to perform some operation, and then that relationship will be gone. They are not a hard relationship. And normally it's utilized when for performing some operation, for instance for executing a method, it's necessary to call objects from another class, the dependence, utilize that, and then it can be discarded when the method finished to be executed. So let's see how it works in the Java programming language. Here we have the special product class implemented exactly as shown in the UML diagram. So we have here the price calculator, here the calculate method that receives the parameter we have designed. In this moment we are not using the queries for making node transformation. Maybe in a more specialized moment we can do that. And the class special product, for execute the getPrice method, it calls a dependence. It means call another object from another class and create instance from that, call one of its operation that will returns the desired result here, and then return to who has called this getPrice method. And then based on that we have one implementation using dependence between objects. Let's see it executing here. We have the main class which will call the getPrice a few times, and every time the getPrice is called from one instance from the special product class, this dependence will be instantiated. So here if we execute this file, we have here the outputs with the price calculated properly, and for each time the method was called, one new instance from the price calculator was created, utilized, and destroyed. So here we have one example of how the dependence relationship works in the object-oriented programming.